morning everyone. So today our topic is will a no war pact with Pakistan bring peace in the subcontinent. So I brief the topic. India and Pakistan have indulged in three wars in the past two major wars in 1965 and 1971, as well as a localized war, the Kargil War of 1999. Minor skirmishes on the border between these two countries have been going on ever since the countries attained independence and are still going on. In this context, a no war pact was being proposed by both countries during 1984, as recently revealed by India Foreign Secretary at that time, but was not agreed to by lawmakers in the USA, who were the political mentors of Pakistan then. In this context, a no war pact between India and Pakistan has again become an important issue. So you have to start your group discussion in the India and Pakistan no war peace in the subcontinent.
I would like to initiate the topic and no war pact. Without doing the war between the two countries, India and Pakistan, we can create and solve the problems of the terror activities and other activities at the disturbance on the borders. So there is only one reason we can improve this condition and make a healthy life.
As we know that India and Pakistan in past years have indulged in three wars, which is a major part of it, which are in 1965, 1971, and 1999, which is known as a major war, Kargil Yudh. And by no war pact, it will give a peace in both the countries.
Yes, I agree with you, my friend. India always follow the no first attack policy, but we all know that, and we see that Pakistan many times crack this policy and crack the ceasefires. So it's totally Pakistan's fault because India always lead a no first attack policy.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. But as we know that because due to war, there is no benefit in war, and India loses its arms and ammunition and its money, which can be used in education for beneficial of our country and for development for our country.
I'm also agree with your thoughts.
All men have red blood, so there is no possibilities of a war. But in case of Pakistan, we all know that dogs tell are dogs tell, not improve. And after the many wars and contract, Pakistan give money to terrorism and illegal activities in Jammu and Kashmir and any other state of India.
After no war was signed between India and Pakistan in January 1966 to resolve the war of 1965, and they signed that we will not doing war between us, but many times we have seen that the both country will do war again and again.
Yes, I agree with your thoughts.
After
the
the
first
Independence
dispute
Day,
between the India and Pakistan is the Indus
Water
Water Treaty. After then, the first dispute of the between the India and Pakistan is the Indus Water Treaty. And after then, so many wars held in the between the country in the 1965, 71, and 1999.
Yes, I agree that to remove the war condition, a no war pact was being proposed in 1984 in the UNA.
I agree.
But nowadays it is not followed by the Pakistan and India both. India will become the defender and the Pakistan become the attacker, and this will bring terrorism in all.
There are two Muslim countries. I am not remembering the name of that countries. They were fighting from the last 70 years. But no, there is no conclusion and no chance of the peace created by the war.
Yeah,
but after they make a meeting and they make the meetings of their commanders and they set up a discipline and they decided that they do not do the war.
Yes,
now they are very free.
Yes, I agree with you, my dear friend. India
we
many
have
times.
major problems over our neighbor country Pakistan. He want to include. He want the Kashmir to include in their country, and we are the citizens of the country. So we also want to peace in our country, not want to war.
Yes,
so and also the Pakistani citizens want to peace. So it is a good step
Yes,
Yes,
I
yes,
agree
yes,
with
I-
your point.
yes,
Yes,
I
I
am-
also agree
yes,
with your
I am
thoughts.
agree with my
My
friend,
friend also
but
said
India-
in the previous point, India has lot of money spent in the defense system. But if any country is the attack on our country, then we also protect in our country so that.
I agree
Yes,
with
my
you.
friend, I agree
But
with you.
I think that war is
the
not any
Nobel Prize
solution of
of-
any problem, because war is also create a panic situation in the country, and it is also bad for any country for its economy.
And
also.
nowadays
I
youth
agree
are
with you,
including,
friend, as we know that
nowadays
Pakistan
the ISIS is
terrorist
including in our.
and Pakistan provide many weapons for
And our
terrorists.
youth is including it, and it shouldn't
Pakistan.
happen.
Yes,
I am agree with you.
friends,
Just
but
number
the
6,
relation
India
between-
many times try to resolve this issue. India is started the Samjhauta Express between Pakistan and India, but many issues raised by Pakistan, it's opposed them, and still Samjhauta Express was stopped by both of the countries.
Yes,
Yes,
I
I
agree with your point.
This was not only on the peoples but also on the sports. We have seen that from last many years, BCCI not allow their players to play in the Pakistan, and also not allowed Pakistani player to come in IPL because they think that the in Pakistan their player don't have security.
Yes,
I agree.
I
Yes, I
agree with
agree.
your point.
As India,
As we
what
know
India
that
does
India and
after-
Pakistan both are nuclear weapon countries, and no war pact will become a boon for both the country and their peace.
Yes,
I agree with
Yes,
you.
yes,
Pakistan
yes,
part
yes,
of the
yes,
Nobel
yes,
Prize
yes,
award
we know that
Pakistan
whenever
for
Pakistan
doing
has
the wars with the Pakistan.
Prime
So
Minister of
if we
Israel
spend that money on
make
our
peace.
people, and if we spend the more money to improve their conditions, provide them better clothes and better food facilities, and also provide facilities to the students,
Yes,
then
friend.
we are more developable.
Yes,
Yes,
friend,
I
I
agree
agree
with
with
you.
you.
After
But
war
in
fact
relation-
1984, ISIS is giving funding to Pakistan, and as a result, that's why there are many attacks in Kashmir like Pulwama and Uri.
Yes, my dear friend, I agree with you. And India is the one of country who want to peace in the world. And but sometimes Pakistan Pakistan crack the ceasefires. So we have to give the answer of this. But it is not the compulsory to give.
Yes,
Yes,
my
yes,
friend,
yes,
India
my
is
friend,
a
stop,
development country.
stop,
India
stop,
is a
and-
developing country, and it cannot afford certain activities like terrorist activities, and it cannot afford its youth to go in that side.
Yes,
Stop,
friend, I'm
stop.
agree with you.
Okay,
No war
okay,
pact.
okay, my dear friend, Stockholm Peace Research Institution also gives a report that 1.145 lakh crore rupees are spent in the defense, and India has third rank. So India gives a lot of money in our defense sector. If Pakistan is not attacked India and is totally free, then why India is lot of fund is expand in these type of activities?
Yes,
friend, I'm
war
agree
is
with you.
war is always
The
destructive. It is
Organization
not
of United
productive.
Nations also declared Pakistan in a dark list.
I
But
agree
after
with my
that,
friend, we can also
Pakistan is not disturbed. No, also disturbed India states through the terrorist and give money to the
I agree
terrorist.
with you, friend.
And now
Yes,
we
number
can
six,
see that
one
on the other side, we
relation
cannot
between-
improve the war conditions by taking the help of different countries, and like the UNO, we can ban these terrorist groups like Al Qaeda,
Yes, my
Mujahideen,
friend.
and these types they are forced to stop the
Yes, my
illegal
friend,
As
activities.
we all know that
solution.
war is all
Always
about
banning
destruction.
the terrorist
As
organization
it
is
is
not the
all the-
solution. We can also indulge both the countries in welfare, like we can create games activities, and we can indulge themselves in that. So the brotherhood between both the countries will increase.
Yes,
Both
my
the
friend,
countries-
I agree with your
The
point.
whole
The
the
agreement is
the
also
mention
a
of
good
Pakistan.
initiative by the government, because these agreements are between the governments and between the two countries, and both the countries should follow the agreement. But as from the past we seen that there are too much of conflicts between India and Pakistan, and I think that it is also first from the Pakistan, and we should also take it to the UN nations
No war-
also.
No war pact have many advantage, like both our country spend money for wars and they use it for develop.
Yes,
Yes,
friend,
yes, I am agree with you, my yes, I am agree with you, my yes, I am agree with you, my friend. Taj Hotel is a famous attack. It's a world famous attack, and it's lead by a
countries.
India and Pakistan both are the important export partners.
Yeah, that's
They
a good
export many things, like India export food items, clothing items, and sports items to the Pakistan, and Pakistan also imports our many types of fruits and salt. And though the important export are growing, decreasing day by day.
I
So
agree.
we can improve our import and export and more focus on these
I
type of
completely
economical
agree with the
activities
chest number.
without doing the war.
I
Yes,
agree.
I agree with the
Both
chest number.
national
Export
and
and
Nobel
things
Prize
are
of
also
2019 is
India
also
in
given
these
to the
countries,
Israel
but after the
Prime
Pulwama
Minister.
attack, they are
They
also
are
declining
fighting
this project.
from 16 years, but in case of Pakistan and India, they are equal from the they are come from the same land, and the case of no war pact, they are also using same water from the Indus river.
Yes, my
Yeah,
friend.
that
I
war
agree
is
because
not
before
better
independence, before the
decision in
India
every
got
condition.
independence in
We all know
1947,
that,
both the countries were
India is
same.
known for
And
their
after the
Mahatma
independence, they
Gandhi's
got
policy.
separated. They are fighting like, and there is no benefit of the war.
Yes, my dear friend,
And we all know that
now
India and
the
Pakistan
Ibrahim is
both are the developing
protected
country,
by
and
Pakistan
so
and
if
who
you
was the
don't
leader
country
of the
want to
Taj
develop,
attack.
they have to
So it's
focus on their
Pakistan's fault
GDP
that
and on
a
their
terrorist is still
citizens and
exist in
give the good
Pakistan.
opportunity of their citizens to make jobs. And we all know that in Pakistan the rates of everything is very high, so the government of Pakistan should focus on this and make a contract with the India to no war peace, and it will be very beneficial for the country, also the image of their country in the world.
Not only
Yes,
defense
I'm
and
also
security and peoples, it also empowers China to stop India from being a part of NATO, because they know that if India have NATO power, then they will make pressure on us and it affect our country.
Yes,
Yes,
yes, I'm
yeah,
also
yeah,
agree with
yeah,
your
yeah.
thoughts.
One is
War
not
is
a
the road
good
before any
decision
other
in every
country.
condition. We all know that India is known for Mahatma Gandhi's policy. Mahatma Gandhi's policy is peace, and India always follow this.
We have found three wars. China
Pakistan
also
also
first in the 1965, then again in the 1971, and last one is the Kargil war in 1991. Most of the around the thousands of our soldiers were killed in that war, and their families were distracted, and their families were feeling alone. So these types of issues will only be solved by without the war.
It also said that the war take the country to 100 years back, and as we all know that both the countries have the equal nuclear power, and if they get war, that it is also disadvantage for the humanity.
Yes,
Yes, my dear friend, I
And,
associate with you. Pakistan, India and Pakistan affiliated with many areas. We all know that 6 rivers are drawn in India and Pakistan both, and we are a agreement between both of the countries to the water distribution. So if we are become two belligerent countries, so it's very difficult for India and Pakistan both.
I
Yes,
agree
friend,
with
I
you.
agree with you. And China also helps the Pakistan and
as a
accepting
soldier
ISI.
dies in a war, it is not that only soldier. His whole family survive the difficult condition after his death.
Yes, I agree with
Yes,
you,
I'm
but
also
the
agree with
relation
your
between the India and China complex and hostile due to the terrorist. In Mumbai 26/11, Pakistan is also included in Taj Hotel.
I
Yes,
agree
my
with
friend,
you.
I agree with
China
the point.
also helps the
In the
Pakistan
past, we see
accept
that
with
many wars are
ISIS,
happened
and the
in,
Pakistan
in
doesn't
wars,
understand
many
this
people
situation.
are lost their lives, and we lost our humanity. For example, we take the example of World War First. In this war, we lost a great humanity.
I agree with Hiroshima and Nagasaki. America put the nuclear weapons. So that time they are feeling good, but now after the many years, by seeing the conditions of the people distracted by their lives, and now they are very sad.
Yes,
So by
actually,
doing we can use many types of wars like the biological weapons, which causes many types of disease, and the nuclear weapons which increase the radiation level, increase our global warming, and this is very harmful for not even the human beings, for the animals also.
Yes,
Yes,
my dear friend, I agree with
that,
you.
as
And
we
we all
all
know
know
that
that war
India
is
and
always
Pakistan both
destructive.
are the nuclear power countries, and there will never a nuclear war in future, because if nuclear war happened in the future, then it is very bad.
I agree
Yes,
with
my
you.
friend,
Yes,
I
I'm
really
also
agree
both
with you.
Yes, I'm also
Because
agree
as
with
we
your
all
thoughts.
know
War
that
is not
it
very
is
have the
study about
value for the
between
And
future
in order
generations.
to make peace between the both countries, India and Pakistan also develop a Galiana between Pakistan and Pakistan.
Now
I
going
would like
to
to
the conclusion
initiate-
of
I
the
would
group
like to
discussion,
conclude the
mostly of our dears said that the conditions between the two countries can be improved only without the war.
Yeah, I
So
conclude.
firstly, we have to stop the funding of these terror groups from our enemy countries, like most of the countries like the China's funded to the terror groups to improve these types of activities. Stopping these types of fund and improve the relation, improve our trade between the country of the Pakistan, and improve other curricular activities, that the bonding between us will be more and the more helpful for our relations, and we can spend the many money on our poor people and our other people who are living on the streets and not getting the studies and not getting the proper education. So from this way we can be more developed.
After
the
I
to all our
completely agree.
points, I
I
want to conclude
also want to
today's
conclude
topic.
this topic by saying that as the war is not at all a solution. Many peoples in Pakistan are dying because due to hunger, and the country should focus on their peoples and and their development of their country, and they should focus on their development of their GDP. In my opinion, the No War Pact should be taken more seriously.
In my After the discussion, the conclusion that the No War Peace Act is very important and beneficial for both countries, because if we fought between together, the third country should take benefit of this. As we all know that China take benefit of the quarrel of our country, so we have to make a contract of the no peace and no war.
According to me, various conflicts and disputes are common between two developing countries, but the matter of India and Pakistan is totally different. And the No War Pact is just only a piece of paper, because the government of Pakistan is just a puppet of their military system.
After the group discussion, our group reached a decision. I think UNO is play a prominent role to resolve this issue, and UNO is still working in this field, because UNO also treated Pakistan to include in blacklisted, and after this threat, Pakistan arrested Mohammad Ibrahim and blacklisted many terrorism.
Yeah, I conclude the group discussion. No War Pact is very compulsory for both of countries. Many times we see that the child in early age, we lost our life in this type of wars. So this is a good step, and we are request to UNO see the issue and take a good decision.
I would like to conclude. What is the conclusion of JD? Your group.
In my conclusion, No War Pact have very essential for both country, because it is develop both country. Both country used money for their development.
I would like to conclude the topic by saying that war is always destructive, and by proposing No War Pact, we can use the fund which is indulged in the nuclear weapon and the armed forces. We can use it in the productive way, like education of our country.
In our discussion conclusion, as we know that India is not an enemy of Pakistan, and Pakistan is not an enemy of India, but terrorism is an enemy of both countries. So both countries talk to each other and solve easily all the problems and all the conflicts. So no war pact is very good.